In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and leverage ChatGPT projects to manage your small business more efficiently. I'll start by navigating to the sidebar on the left and selecting the Projects option to open up my workspace. To get things moving, I'm going to name this new project, Project 1, and then hit that Create Project button. Now that the project is live, I'll head up to the top right corner, click those three little dots, and open up my project settings. I've already drafted a detailed set of custom instructions specifically for my candle brand, Lumi Wax, so I'll copy that entire persona from my notepad and paste it directly into the instructions field before saving. This ensures every future response is tailored to my brand's voice and goals. Next, I want to give the AI a deep understanding of my business operations, so I'm going to click the plus icon to upload my core documents. I'm choosing 5 essential files from my computer. Once those are attached and processed, I'll paste in a message asking ChatGPT to confirm it has read all 5 files and to explain how it will use this information to help me run Lumi Wax smarter. After reviewing its confirmation, I'll follow up with a prompt asking for a strategic 3-month action plan for April, May, and June to help me reach my monthly revenue target of 25,000 pesos. I can see the AI instantly breaking down specific sales targets and focus platforms for each month based on my actual financial data and current performance. To keep my daily tasks from becoming overwhelming, I'll then ask for the single most important thing I should focus on right now to see the fastest growth. The AI analyzes my growth strategy and identifies that increasing my Instagram reach through Reels is the most impactful move I can make right now. Now, let's dive deeper into the business numbers. I'm asking the AI to look at my latest financial report and provide 3 practical ways to protect my profit margins against rising material costs without me having to raise my prices. It pulls the specific data from my report, calculates the current profit per unit, and suggests focusing on higher margin products and optimizing my packaging costs. I also need to update my online shop listings, so I'll have the AI generate 6 unique, benefit-driven product descriptions for Shopee using the details from my catalog. It keeps the tone warm and personal while highlighting key features like burn time and specific scent notes for every candle size. Finally, I'll handle a more complex task by asking for a professional quotation email for a corporate client interested in a bulk order of 50 custom label candles. In just a matter of seconds, I have a complete, well-structured email draft with specific pricing, lead times, and payment terms all ready to be sent out. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.